So do you like your scissors from your princess kit? Are you gonna use your pencil to write your name?
My name? On what?
In your journal.
Well, right now I'm actually gonna. I wonder why I want to do some art on some paper.
You want to do what?
Art on some paper.
Art on some paper, okay, with, well, that's what your journal is for.
Oh.
Where are you going?
Oh, where I should do it.
Oh, you want your own desk space?
Yeah.
Well, your usual space is
Over there.
taken up right now, so can we just clear a space here? You want to go get your chair?
Logo. I'm going to take the glue. Why is the bow not sticking?
Probably needs some wet glue. Let's put the bow to the side for now. And what was the next thing you were going to do? A butterfly? The butterfly will stick more easily. Are you going to write your name? That's some pretty handwriting. Good job.
Why were you taking a video of it too?
I just want to see what you're doing with your new journal kit. Are you going to color anything?
You'll see what I'm.
I'll see.
This will stick more easily with glue. You saw a big one today. Notebook. Wow.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Are you junk journaling?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thanks for sharing with us.